You know, the Buster Bars they have at Dairy Queen? Well, my son loves them. Now, I saw this done where they took chocolate graham crackers and just laid them on the bottom, and that would be a whole lot easier. But I didn't see that till I had already got the Oreos or twist and shouts. All right. Now, I'm just making this up as I go along. I saw a couple of recipes, but you guys know me. I don't follow the recipes. There we go. Now we have a nice crust, so I don't know how. Oh, that's pretty soft actually. Okay, so I'm gonna use about half of this for the first layer. I hope. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's see if we can try this again. There. Now we're going to take our hot fudge. Now, I use the salted peanuts because they taste better. Okay, so now the bottom layer is melting, but the top layer is stiff. How much is a Dairy Queen cake? Asking for a friend. Oh my goodness. All right, so now we have our favorite magic shell for the top. So the problem with the magic shell is I gotta put the candles in first. Okay, here is magic shell going on top now. Okay, we have 16 candles. One last sprinkling of nuts on the top. Well, I don't know. We'll freeze it and see what happens.